sweet spot. I'm feeling good. The sun is shining. I knew it would. The world's a playground. I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm on the big stage. I got my crew. I'll get you moving. It's what I do. The party's starting. It's going down. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.
Doy, happy birthday. Doy, more chicks, more happy life. Manok na pre nga tinasa. Happy birthday, Doy. Always get better.
Day, happy birthday. Na-consider ko kasi noon, iya kami balik-balik, pati di saya sa
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Kaya ako pa kami yung transaction. Ano lang yung importante?
You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I've found.
Si Noneng, isa sa mga tao na hindi na malimutan. Sala, once din na iniyak, abiwan mo. Adlaw-adlaw sa record, the weeks. Mga karton na ako, napakakuha na. Napakot-bakot, iwang na napakot. Pero seriously, ang imong journey, nagbigay na sa bilang retiree, no? Pero mas namin na kayo na nakalabot ka 65, buo pa ka mo, pupunta sa kabataan mo. Enjoy life, eh. Kaya na, itaw. Happy birthday, Meg.
Congratulations sa iyong retirement and happy birthday.
Oh, grabe message yun.
Kita-kits lang nagyapon sa ikigo kasi kapi-kapi lang tato.
Ne, mag-retire ka na. Hindi halata. Yun, di ka na bakit. Kaya tuwon busag sa akon. Ang retirement mo yan, we are not retired from our job. No? Retired lang tayo sa job ta, pero you are not retired from our work. Kaya adlaw yung sige tayo gapon work, it's work that keeps us alive. Pero retired lang tayo sa ato nga job. Goodbye tension and hello pension. So what's at 65 naman? Kay 65th birthday mo subukan mo, di ba? So what's at 65? So grabe na nga blessing sa imo nga nakalabot nga 65. Kay other employees hindi gali makalabot sa ilang retirement age. So I wish you nga longer life, nga ma-enjoy mo pa ang imo nga retirement. And also I wish you a peaceful and happy retirement. Wishing you good health, more life to enjoy. So, happy retirement and happy birthday. Thank you.
Ang iya nga perseverance and commitment sa work is for his family. And it's an encouragement man sa ako nga nagkapadayon is manunungin ang padayon man ko after is wala pa man akong kabataan. Ang ako lang yung encouragement kay Manong Noni is no amount of workload is too small diri sa office. Probably ang mong ilang taon mong imo workload, but every load nga gin-ubra mo is a contributor sa success ng inyong opisina. And it speaks to everyone else. Ang mong atong ginaubra, but it contributes to the success of the whole office. So tandaan nyo gitna. So as we conclude this program and celebration, ang balang kagina nila ni Borge, remain connected lang connected. Probably ang professional life mo nag-stop today, pero ang band as a member of the AHRMD family, ga-continue na siya gihapon. So as you move forward, manong enjoy every moment of your private retreat, ekonomiya sa word nga retirement. Sa mga private retreat, kay sige-sige ka na yapon ang connection diri sa amon. So God bless you more and the Lord's favor be upon you. Thank you.
Happy birthday ba? Kabalo ko na and thank you sa tanan and wala na ko iba niya baka ba sinibig ko lang. Thank you kabay lawig pagid ka enjoy mo lang everything.
Thank you very much.
Ang mambal ko lang, sobrang pasalamat ko sa inyo sa office mate. Kung sa HR hindi tanan, kung hindi sa inyo, siguro pero sobrang kalipay kong dumahuya sa inyong program para sa akon. Pero hindi ko ginamalimtan. Salamat din sa inyo. Thank you. Sa mga nag-visit, hindi ko ginamalimtan. Salamat din. Tara. Thank you.